These are the features of the level ride touchscreen controller. On each of these corners are the corners of your car. Front left, up and down, left rear, up and down, left right rear, up and down, front right, up and down, both down at the rear, both up at the rear, both down at the front, both up at the front. You have 4 preset height settings: air out, low, ride and lift. These can be controlled by simply touching the button to take you to the ride height. If you want to resave your height, you use your manual buttons to get there, and you press and hold the ride button and it will come up at the bottom saved as configuration 2. So air out is not a configuration, it is simply no air or minimum height. Configuration 1 is low, ride is 2 and lift is 3.